Best 8 ways to treat toothache at home fast. Do you know what is the most common cause of toothache? You might think it's cavities, gum disease, or trauma, but you're wrong. The most common cause of toothache is actually a tooth infection. Yes, you heard me right. A tooth infection can happen when bacteria from a decayed or damaged tooth reach the pulp, where the nerves and blood supply are located. This can cause severe pain, swelling, and inflammation, and sometimes even fever, trouble breathing, or pus. Sounds scary, right? Well, don't worry, because I'm here to help you. In this video, I'm going to show you the best 8 ways to treat toothache at home fast, using natural and easy remedies that you can find in your kitchen or bathroom. These remedies can help you relieve the pain and discomfort, and prevent the infection from spreading or getting worse. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Saltwater rinse. One of the easiest and most effective ways to treat toothache at home is to rinse your mouth with salt water. Salt water is a natural disinfectant that can kill bacteria, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. It can also help loosen any food particles or debris that may be stuck between your teeth and cause irritation. To make a saltwater rinse, simply dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. Swish the solution around your mouth for a few seconds, then spit it out. Repeat this several times a day, especially after meals and before bed. Number 2. Hydrogen peroxide rinse. Hydrogen peroxide is a common household product that can help treat toothache at home. Hydrogen peroxide can kill bacteria, reduce plaque, and whiten teeth. It can also help relieve pain and inflammation, as well as prevent infection. To use hydrogen peroxide, you will need a 3% solution, which is the most common type sold in pharmacies and supermarkets. Do not use a higher concentration, as it can damage your teeth and gums. Dilute the hydrogen peroxide with an equal amount of water, then swish the solution around your mouth for 30 seconds. Spit it out and rinse your mouth with plain water. Do this once or twice a day, but not for more than a week, as it can irritate your mouth and affect your natural flora. Number 3. Clove oil. Clove oil is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to treat toothache. Clove oil contains a compound called eugenol, which has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and anesthetic properties. Eugenol can help reduce pain and infection, as well as numb the nerves in your mouth. To use clove oil, you will need a cotton ball or a cotton swab, and a carrier oil, such as olive oil or coconut oil. Dilute a few drops of clove oil in a teaspoon of carrier oil, then soak the cotton ball or swab in the mixture. Gently dab the cotton on the affected tooth and gum, and leave it there for a few minutes. Be careful not to swallow the oil, as it can cause stomach upset. You can also chew on a whole clove, but make sure to spit it out after a few minutes. Number 4. Peppermint tea bags. Peppermint tea bags can also help you treat toothache at home because it contains menthol, which has cooling and numbing effects on the nerves. It also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can fight infection and reduce swelling. To use this remedy, you need to brew a cup of peppermint tea and let the tea bag cool down a bit. Then apply the tea bag to the affected tooth and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. You can also put the tea bag in the freezer for a few minutes and use it as a cold compress. Before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic is a natural antibiotic, and it can help fight the bacteria that cause tooth infection. Garlic can also reduce the pain and inflammation and boost your immune system. To use this remedy, you need to crush a clove of garlic and mix it with a little salt. Then, apply the paste to the affected tooth and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse your mouth with warm water afterwards. Repeat this once or twice a day until the infection clears. You can also chew a raw garlic clove or add more garlic to your diet. Number 6. Turmeric paste. Turmeric is a spice that has many health benefits, including treating toothaches. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties. Curcumin can help reduce pain, inflammation, and infection, as well as promote healing and prevent further damage. To use turmeric, you will need some turmeric powder and some water or honey. Make a paste by mixing a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a few drops of water or honey. Apply the paste to the affected tooth and gum and leave it there for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse your mouth with warm water afterwards. You can also add some turmeric powder to a glass of warm milk and drink it before bed. Number 7. Thyme tea. Thyme is a herb that has been used for centuries for its medicinal benefits. It contains compounds called thymol and carvacrol, which have strong antibacterial and antifungal effects. They can help fight the germs that cause tooth decay and infections, and prevent them from spreading. But thyme also has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, which means it can reduce the swelling and redness of the gums and soothe the nerve endings that transmit pain signals. It can also numb the area temporarily, making it easier to cope with the discomfort. To use this remedy, you need to brew a cup of thyme tea and let it cool down a bit. Then use it as a mouthwash and swish it around your mouth for a few minutes. Spit it out and repeat this several times a day. You can also add a few drops of thyme oil to a glass of water and use it as a mouthwash. Number 8. Cold compress. A cold compress can be very effective for relieving toothache, especially if it is caused by trauma or injury to the tooth. A cold compress can constrict the blood vessels in the area, which can limit the amount of pain signals that reach your brain and make you feel more comfortable. To make a cold compress, wrap some ice cubes or a frozen bag of peas in a towel. Hold it against your cheek or jaw for 15 to 20 minutes at a time, then take a break for another 15 to 20 minutes. Do this as often as needed, but avoid applying ice directly to your skin or teeth, as this can cause more damage. Toothache can be a very unpleasant and frustrating experience, but you don't have to suffer in silence. There were some natural and simple ways to treat toothache at home fast, using ingredients that you probably have in your kitchen or bathroom. These remedies can provide temporary relief until you can see a dentist, but they are not meant to replace professional dental care. If your toothache persists for more than a few days, or if you have other symptoms, such as fever, swelling, or pus, you should seek medical attention as soon as possible. Toothache can be a sign of a serious dental problem, such as an abscess, a cavity, or a fracture that requires proper diagnosis and treatment. Don't ignore your toothache and don't let it ruin your smile. Try these best 8 ways to treat toothache at home and enjoy a pain-free and healthy mouth. Now, we want to hear from you. Did you try some of these methods before? Do you have other tried methods? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.